Hey creatives! Today we're designing a powerful global logo, featuring a planet at the center and dynamic lines orbiting around it to highlight global reach and connection.
Can I break this heart?